Okay, chef, so one of the greatest parts about cooking is the cleaning.
Yes, it is.
And one really cool thing about the Versatile Chef Station is how easy it is to clean. It is basically its own self-contained unit, so it has an integrated water supply that will help you to incorporate water in it, scrub it down, and you can drain and clean.
Nice.
So we do have it set to about 200 degrees just to kind of loosen up the kind of baked on or cooked on material. We'll use our regular griddle scrubber and just kind of scrub it down a little bit. Incorporate some water. Scrub it down.
You just remove like 4 to 5 steps out of every chef's cleaning process, and I'm okay with that.
Yeah, so you don't have to go back and forth to the sink with a big pot of water, big heavy pot of water that can be dangerous. There's, you know, some kitchens are really slippery floors. So having an integrated water supply makes it easy to wipe it down and clean and move on to the next cooking method. So if I just use this as a griddle, I can scrub it down easily, flip it over, and use the next cooking method really quickly. So inside, we also have a drain and a little drain caddy. So we're just gonna pull the drain and allow the wastewater to go down into the drain.
Very cool.
Give it a little hand. If you have a squeegee, that can also help to. All right. So teamwork makes the dream work. All right. So scrub it down. Go ahead and drain it.
You're pretty much taking a usual 30-minute job and making it to a 5-minute job right now.
And so we would just next wipe it out with a rag, and then we're ready to move on to the next cooking method.
Wow. And ready to go home and come back for the next day clean, sanitary, easy, efficient steps, a lot safer. I'm all about that.
Yep, definitely.
Yeah.